Hey there, discover the SparkJump Premium Bug Hotel Kit for Kids, a fun and easy woodcraft project. This kit includes all the materials needed like pre-cut cedar wood, screws, screwdriver, kid-safe glue, and a 6-color paint set with brushes. Crafted from FSC-certified wood, it ensures durability and environmental responsibility while providing a safe building experience. The step-by-step video instructions make it simple for kids to create a charming ladybug house for the garden. Perfect for family bonding, this quick project encourages screen-free creativity and hands-on learning. It's an ideal gift that inspires kids to build lasting memories and connect with nature. Watch your child's excitement grow as they create their very own insect hotel together. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.